Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. And we are back. Bitcoin just traded above $21,000. The bulls are back in town. In this video, I'll be going over the market, going over Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as a ton of altcoins. We have been crushing it right here at Crypto Empire. I hope you've been tuning into the live streams and paying attention to all of the trade ideas that we have been sharing right here. Without further ado, let's get into this market analysis video. I'll be going over a ton of charts. Be sure to stick with me until the very end. Let's get right into it and let the gains be with you because they're with us right now. So taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market, the market cap is $1.02 trillion. Bitcoin trading for $20,883, and Ethereum is trading for $1,541. ETH did just tap 1,600. We absolutely love to see it because we were expecting this rally here at Crypto Empire. Inside of my Discord group the other day, I wrote a very important post. What day was this? This was yesterday at around 1 a.m. Been staring at the charts a lot recently anyway. So I said basically this is the first green week we've had since July. I'm not going to read this entire thing, but I did go ahead and say that this will be one of the most hated rallies ever. So many players, so many big players, not just retail traders, retail apes, but actual big players in the market that have funds, etc. They were short. They just got destroyed here. And I said bears will get slaughtered. Do not be short. So we have been long inside of the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group, absolutely crushing it. The market, as we can see, is all green. There's no red right now. Let's take a look at the charts. Bitcoin has gone vertical in this parabola. Now keep in mind, this has accelerated extremely quickly in price. This is called a short squeeze. All right, price has now been pushed. It's been squeezed to a point where there really are, I don't think there's a lot of organic buyers up here. We have not had any pullbacks, right? This entire rally, there's been zero pullbacks and price accelerated extremely quickly. This is a textbook short squeeze. No pullbacks, and basically price has been pushed to a level where there's no organic buyers. So I'm basically expecting at this point consolidation and chop to come this weekend. So with that being said, if you didn't catch any of this rally and you were freaking out, you had the fear of missing out, FOMO through the roof, the best thing to do is at least wait until the start of next week. Do not try to force any trades over the weekend. That will lead to very poor decisions. All right, because we are due for some consolidation after this massive rally up higher. If you notice where the price has gone to, we did just sweep the high of the FTX collapse. All right, we have just slightly traded over this high over here at $21,400. Bitcoin swept this high now, right? A little liquidity grab. So I'm expecting this now to possibly be the local top of this rally. The best thing to do right now, if you're not long, if you're long, definitely be realizing some profits. But if you're not in anything, just don't force it. It's not the time to be forcing anything, right? The time was to get long when prices were obviously much lower than they are now. So at this point, we want to see if this parabola holds. We want to see what does hold as support. There are some big levels down here at $19,000. The price was just here this morning, actually. And then below that, we have 18K as well, 18,300 to 18,400. That is a 4-hour demand zone, highlighted in blue here on my chart. I would not be surprised to see price slowly make its way back down here to find organic buyers, because in a textbook short squeeze, the price gets pushed, it gets squeezed to a point where there are no organic buyers. All the buy orders happening in the market is shorts getting liquidated. That is just market orders triggering on all the exchanges, margin calls for all the shorts. And price gets squeezed so high to a level that there's no organic buyers. So it's slowly going to come down to a spot where people actually do want to buy. And it's not just shorts getting liquidated, causing the buy pressure to the upside higher. So Bitcoin, long story short, epic short squeeze, maybe one of the most epic short squeezes of all time. We were prepared for it here at Crypto Empire. I have been going live. I did an emergency live stream yesterday on my channel. If we go ahead and take a look at that here, this past Sunday, 5 days ago, right, I did a live stream. Is a Q1 rally still possible? I was bullish. I made it very clear my stance on the market was that I am bullish in that stream. And then yesterday we did that emergency live. But within these two streams, the amount of trade ideas that I gave right? If you took any of them, you would have made money. And then as well as inside of the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group, we have been absolutely smoking it. But it's not the time to do anything right now, all right? The time of volatility has most likely passed. Now we're going to get some chop most likely. Can we push up higher? Yes, absolutely. But at this point, I would not be looking for fresh long positions. It's simply time to wait for the new week and find new opportunities, because trades are literally just like everything else. They come and go, and there's always going to be another one. So do not force things. Always have that abundance mindset, right? If you don't have the abundance mindset, you're going to make poor decisions, and you are going to really hurt yourself with those poor decisions. And in the market, that means you lose money. So I don't want that to happen to you. So do not do anything drastic right now. Just wait and wait for this to cool down and pull back, and then we can find some new trades then. But with that being said, let's take a look at some of the altcoins that we have been eyeing here at Crypto Empire. So first one, CRV. So CRV was, between myself and the moderators, we went ahead and decided 67 cents was our entry over here right off of support. And we got that entry. Long story short, this thing exploded today. And as you can see, it is up around 20%. So we went ahead and we hit our first target at 80 cents. Next one up is 91 cents. And as you can see here, took UNI as well, but with CRV, crushed it. Members all crushing it over here. And as you can see, it really just goes on and on and on. So that's CRV. At this point, I can expect it to hit $1, but there's no way I'm going to enter up here after a 20% daily move. Next up, we have Uniswap. Uni right now is trading for $6.50. I've been watching Uniswap all week because on the weekly time frame, if I go ahead and switch to a log scale chart here, on the weekly time frame, we have just broken out of this trend line that goes all the way to the all-time high from April of 2021. We broke that trend line on the weekly time frame, all right? So I went ahead. We also have this horizontal level in orange at $6, key psychological round number level. So I went ahead and took a long today. As we can see here, my entry for this long was at $6. I mean, mine was $6.05, but I said $6.10 and below for everybody, but we are in a profit here. I just went ahead and took half of my trade off the table, and that's another one right there. And Solana, I gave Solana multiple times in the live streams, and I also gave it multiple times to my Discord members. But Sol, as we can see here, just exploded out of the bull flag, and it literally hit the measure move price target at $21 to a T. All right, so at this point, realize full profits on the trade, right? This was a banger, right? A quick move out of nowhere, 25%, right? Take your money, especially if you're leveraged up. Do not get greedy and wait for this to keep on pushing higher. Can it keep on pushing higher? Yes, it absolutely can. But as traders, when we have a 25% move spot and we're leveraged up, listen, don't be crazy and not take profit. Realize those gains. Real quick, if you're wondering where I am doing my crypto trading, I use BitGet. I am officially partnered with BitGet. If you want to sign up with them, you can use my link down in the description below. I greatly appreciate your support. And if you want to learn how to trade using the BitGet exchange, I have made multiple tutorial videos showing you how to do so. I will leave them linked down in the description below, and I'll leave a card right here for you. Enjoy. The list goes on and on and on, right? We covered Optimism OP in the streams. If we take a look at OP, just went vertical, right? Absolutely vertical. We also looked at Link. Now, Link was a banger, as we can see, took off, right? We covered this in stream multiple times. Little 7% move from the breakout that happened today. If you would have taken it yesterday during the stream, right, you're up over 10% spot. If you took it as a trade, well then congratulations on the big win there. The list goes on and on and on. We also have LDO, right? LDO I covered in my video the other day in regards to Ethereum liquid staking tokens. I also went ahead and put out an official trade in my Discord about LDO, telling you to get in below $2. And everybody who did is up pretty decent right now, right around 25%. And this thing's in a weekly parabola. I expect this to go ahead and continue up higher. But that's LDO. Lido has a huge narrative going forward. It's going to be one of the top DeFi tokens. It already is. So don't ignore that one for the next bull run as well. I think you can go to realistically $20 to $40. Not financial advice at all, but don't ignore it. We also have Ocean, right? We covered Ocean earlier in the week here on the channel. And if we take a look at Ocean, it is starting to move a little bit. Really hasn't gone too vertical like the rest of them, but up around 10% from entry. And we just flipped a key level. Can this pull back? Yes, it absolutely can. All right. So again, don't FOMO into anything now. I'm simply just reviewing all of the trades that I have been discussing here on the channel. All right, so we can go ahead and move on further now. Another trade that I was discussing in yesterday's live stream was Dogecoin. And as we can see, Doge also went ahead and took off. So listen, this was a great opportunity to make money. If you missed it though, do not chase anything. The opportunity passed, right? Do not FOMO into this pump. That's a really naive thing to do, and I don't want to see you make a crazy bad decision like that, all right? So not the time to be FOMOing into pumps like this, right? That's why we need to pay attention to the content that we put out here at Crypto Empire. Subscribe to the channel, turn on all the notifications so that you're notified when I create a new video. But even better, if you're serious about crushing this next bull market and crushing the remainder of this current bear market, go to my website, cryptoempire.co.io, and join our Discord, all right? The results speak for themselves, seriously. I'll see you inside of there. Regardless, I just wanted to make a quick update video on this epic pump. Bitcoin still above $21,000 right now. Ethereum, if we take a look at ETH, I'll go over those levels very quickly. ETH tags 1600 here to the dot, to the exact tick. Now, if we look at these levels, logical pullback levels, we have 1426 here on the chart. This is the daily. I'm going to keep it on the daily here. We also have 1350. We have to see what holds as support now, because we are in a parabola here on Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as a ton of altcoins. It will pull back. It will be choppy. I'm not expecting it to just fully retrace the entire pump like this FTX crash, right? I doubt this is going to happen at this point. The trends are certainly looking like they do want to continue higher, but there will be pullbacks along the way, and that will only be new opportunities to look for long entries. Regardless, I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick video market update. I hope everybody in the community here at Crypto Empire was able to capitalize on this rally. You were forewarned over the past week that we were going to pump like this. I told you straight up, do not be short. The shorts were going to get slaughtered. Good night to the bears. It's time for the bulls to be back. We are so back. Hope you enjoyed this video. So in this video, we cover the current crypto market rally and went over a ton of the trades that I have been sharing here on the channel, as well as in the Discord, on my live streams, etc. I hope you enjoyed this quick video market update. Again, now is not the time to FOMO. I hope you made a ton of money over this past week throughout this rally, but now is not the time to force things. Chill out, enjoy the weekend, enjoy your profits, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this one, smash that like button down below. If you are brand new to Crypto Empire and you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire. Before I go, I do want to say, if you guys are enjoying the content or if you have any suggestions, anything, leave a comment down below. But for now, I'll see you in the next video.